Hi guys, it's me Arvind from the Rockers, and today we are going to review not one, not two, but three iPhone 11s. So let's hop into the video. We have the iPhone 11. It's product red. The color is red. Now, when I came to know the name of this color, I thought the reason was the name of the company is Apple, and the color of Apple is red, of course, excluding the green. But that's not the true reason. The true reason is there's a company called Product Red, which produces goods in the color of red, and they give part of their income to the people who are affected by the AIDS. Similarly, Apple produces this red color, Product Red phones, to give money to the company called the Global Fund. Many companies follow this, like Coca-Cola, Galaxy, Beats, the headphones, and Starbucks. Last but not the least, I thank my uncle Arul for making this video possible by gifting these iPhones as my birthday gift. Thank you. Okay guys, here we have the iPhone 11, the product red. Before I told that we are going to unbox 3 iPhones of 3 different colors. Don't worry, you will get to see them at the end of the video. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. Let's unbox it. Just peel this wrapper off. Okay, let's keep it aside. Let's open the box. Wow, that looks really good, and that is the name called Product Red. So it's really cool. Let's take the phone out and have a quick review. Okay, here's the phone. So it looks similarly to the iPhone 10R, but the only difference is it has 2 cameras, the dual cameras, which is the wide and the ultra wide. That's just difference between them. Let's peel the cover. Okay, this is the most satisfying part in unboxing a cell phone. Let's keep it aside and move further on. We have the starting manual guide over here. We have the product red, the color you can see here. So this is like an exclusive color because we are helping people by buying this phone. And inside we have the stickers, Apple stickers, 2 of them, and we have the hello guide. Inside we have how to operate those iPhones. We have the key tool for opening the SIM card. Finally, some instructions. Moving to the third level, we have the charger. We will have a quick review of this charger after some time. Let me keep it aside. and we have the earphones. They are wired. Let's open them. They are really good. So usually we have a round plug over here which fits in the phone, but Apple has done it in a different way. We just have only one hole where we insert the plug of the earphones as well as the charger, which is this over here. Both have the same type of plugs. You can see here it gets connected inside. So this is a good manufacturing that iPhone has taken. Let's take this out and let's have a quick review on the wire of the charging. So this is a really fast charger because the iPhone gets to full charge after 45 minutes approximately. Let's open this guy. And that's it. So we have the wire, the plug, and we have the earphones. Okay, so here we have the iPhone 11. Let's take it and have a quick review. Apple claims that iPhone 11 has the strongest glass which doesn't break even if you drop it from a height of 2 meters. That's a step in the positive direction. So it also has the fastest chip ever made in a smartphone till date, which is the A13 Bionic chip. This A13 Bionic chip is the fastest chip in the market till date. So here the iPhone 11 has a water resistant capacity of 2 meter for 30 minutes. So if you keep this iPhone in water with a depth of 2 meters for 30 minutes, nothing will happen to it. But please don't try. Next, iPhone has a 6.1 liquid retina, so it doesn't affect our eyes when we watch this phone at night. That's a step in the positive direction taken by Apple. So the iPhone 11 series, including iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Max, are provided with the night mode camera, which means that even in the dark light, if you take the photo with the night mode, it appears to be as if you've provided a brightness like a day. So it's a really good step in the positive direction. Apple could have done this only for the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max, but they included this in also the iPhone 11. So the Apple claims it to be a budget phone, just like iPhone XR. The price of iPhone 11 ranges from $699 to the limited amount of dollars which you get when you choose the amount of storage you have. The storage of this is 128 GB. Next, in Indian rupees, it costs from 65,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees. So, moving on to the charger. Here, the charger is 5 volt. It's 5 volt charger and it only receives 0.15 ampere of current. So, it's a really fast charger. and it's a really good feature in a budget phone like iPhone 11. Next, here we have the cable for the charger. This pin point is similar in the headphones, the earphones, which is provided by in the Apple iPhone 11. Okay, so we have only one hole to insert this in the iPhone 11 over here. So you insert it like this and you place this inside over here. Next we have the three colors which I said before. Here we have the red, the product red. Here we have the purple, and here we have the black. I've put the cases, phone cases for all of them, and they really look cool. Personally, I like the product red color, and you can type which color you like in the comments down below. So we have the black, and we have the purple, and we have the red. So thanks guys for watching the video, and please like this video and share and subscribe it for more content.